In this video, I will tell my secret weapon or shading to make realistic drawing with watercolor. For that, we have to reach the level of cheating. Means first I will complete coloring till lip with watercolor and then I will show my magic. By the way, if you want to learn coloring with watercolor, visit my channel or link in description. Now enjoy the process.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I spent 10,000 hours, 10,000 more.
Finally, we have completed till the lip. Now the time for cheating. Cheating in the life is sometimes important to achieve big goals. And the secret weapon is pencil color. Yeah, pencil color. What did you accept? A magic wand? No. I use pencil color to give more detail and shade to the drawing. That is difficult than giving shade with watercolor. Just simply darkening some region, not all the part. Otherwise, it will look like a pencil color drawing, not a watercolor painting. Doing pencil color, remember to blend smoothly. By the way, if you want to learn blending pencil color, then also visit my channel or the link is in description.
Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. And do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your maiden name from your grandma? When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I spent 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what
In here, I have just used the black color. There is not much detail in the hair. I will just give the highlight using glass marker.
If that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Oh, want the good and the bad and everything between. Oh, gotta cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I spent 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you.
Finally, I hope this video will help you in making realistic drawing with watercolors.